As an industry leader, Walker Products has evolved into a premier supplier of fuel delivery components, emission control products, engine sensors, ignition wire sets, ignition coils, and coil unplug boots. Every Walker camshaft and crankshaft position sensor undergoes rigorous testing to ensure that it meets or exceeds the performance of the original equipment. These sensors use magnetic pulses to determine the position of the engine camshaft and/or crankshaft and send that information to the onboard computer, where it's used with other inputs to calculate injector on time and ignition system timing. When a sensor fails, the check engine light will come on and you'll experience hard starting, poor drivability, or even no start scenarios. There is no scheduled service for this part. It must be replaced when the failure occurs. We remain an industry leader in camshaft and crankshaft position sensors, offered both as sensor-only or full service kits, covering thousands of vehicle applications from 1980 through the present year. They're all endurance tested and corrosion resistant. Walker camshaft and crankshaft position sensors meet all OEM requirements for fit, form, and function. Being in the forefront of new technologies, state-of-the-art engineering, automated manufacturing processes, along with great customer service has made Walker Products your first choice in quality products. We're proud of our history and commitment to the automotive aftermarket.